Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat, and we have to discuss a very important question of exercise 8.2 first year federal board, that is question number 13. N combination 1, N combination 3, N combination 5 up to N minus 1, it is equals to 2 power N minus 1. Now here we know that we have to use a formula here, that is 1 plus x power n. This is the binomial formula here, and we have to expand this formula, that will be equals to n combination 0 plus n combination 1 with x power 1 plus n combination 2, that is x square, and combination 3, that is x cube, and so on, that will be equals to then n minus 1 combination n combination n minus 1 will be equals to x power n minus 1. This is the second last term, and then the last term will be equals to n minus 1 n combination n, that is x power n. Now we suppose that here put first x is equals to minus 1. So this equation will be, this is the basic formula of binomial when we have 1 plus x power n, and this is the general formula of the binomial 1 plus x power n. Now in first stage here we have to put x is equals to minus 1. So that will be 1 minus 1 power n combination 0, n combination 1, x, it is equals to minus 1 here, so we have to put x minus 1 here, n combination 2, the value of x we have to take out, that is minus 1, we have to suppose that, and plus n combination 3 and minus x power 3, and so on, that will be equals to n minus 1 combination, and this is 1 minus 1 power n minus 1, and this is n combination n, and this is minus 1 power n here. So this is equals to 0. This is 1 minus 1, it is equal to 0. So here if the power is odd, then the negative remain negative, and the power is even, then the negative will become positive here. So this is n combination 0 here, n combination 0, minus plus minus n combination 1, plus minus minus n combination 1. Here minus 1 square is plus, so this will be n combination 2. Here minus 1 power cube, so the negative remain negative because the power is odd here. So this is n combination 3, and so on. We have n minus 1 minus 1 power n minus 1, and plus it is n combination n with minus 1 power n. Now we have to shift the negative sign to the left hand side here, that is n combination 1 minus, we have to shift here, it becomes plus n combination 3 plus, and so on, and this is n minus 1. This is the odd number here. So here this is n combination 0, n, combination 2, and so on, n combination n. This is, say, equation number 1. This is, say, equation number 1, and now we have to put x is equals to 1 because we need 2 here. So here when we have to put x is equal to 1, that becomes 1 plus 1 is 2. That is why we are going to put x is equals to 1 here. So this formula becomes here, this is, say, equation A, and we have to put this value in equation A. So here equation A, or the basic formula here, so we have to put 1, x is equals to 1 power n, and this is n combination 0, this is n combination 1. Here x it is equal to 1, multiply by this, so there is no need to write down 1 in the product form here. Again here 1 square means 1, multiply by the factor n combination 2, no change. And the same as here, x cube, that is 1 cube, 1 cube means 1, multiply by n combination 3, and so on. So this is n minus 1 and n minus combination 1. So here this is the, we have to put the value x is equals to 1 in equation A here. Now here this is 1 plus 1, 2, and now we have to collect these number, even numbers and odd numbers separately here. So this is n combination 0, that is n combination 2, and so on, n combination n. Just we have to separate the numbers here which are even 2, 4 and 6, and the odd numbers here n combination 1, n combination 3, and so on. So this will be n minus 1 here. So here we have to separate this set numbers here and this set numbers here. Now dear students, here the result of this equation from equation number 1, it is equals to the same value of n combination 1, n combination 3, and so on. So we have to put the value here from equation number 1, it is n combination 1, n combination 2, and n combination 3, and so on, and n combination 1. We have to put the value of this expression from equation number 1. So this is n combination 1 here, and then this is n combination 3, and so on, n minus 1. So here this is the same amount here. So when we have to sum these two numbers to each other, so this is the coefficient of 1 and this is the coefficient of 1, so it becomes 2 here, and this is n combination 1 or n combination 3, and so on, n minus 1 to the n minus 1 combination. So here 1 plus 1, it is 2, the same amount here. This is 2, multiply on the right hand side. When we have to shift to the other side, it will be in the division form, and this is n combination 1 plus n combination 3, and so on, n minus 1 to the combination here. So here we have to shift to the numerator, so it becomes 2n minus 1, and this is the same amount here, which is the required result. Dear students, thank you so much. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Fahd. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.